Hi, I'm Michael Pfeiffer from Industrial Metallurgists. In this video, I'll explain a little bit about the forms of metal corrosion. This video is a companion to the article on our website with the same title, Forms of Metal Corrosion. So there are several different common forms of corrosion. Corrosion is the degradation of a metal due to a reaction between the metal and its environment. And it involves an electrochemical reaction between the atoms of the metal and the atoms in the environment. So there are 7 common forms of corrosion. There's general corrosion, galvanic corrosion, crevice corrosion, pitting, intergranular corrosion, stress corrosion cracking, and de-alloying. And these different mechanisms have different appearances and different things that we can do to prevent them from occurring. So general corrosion is when we have corrosion over the entire exposed surface of a metal. Galvanic corrosion occurs when 2 dissimilar metals are in contact, electrical contact in a corrosive environment. So both metals are corroding, but one metal ends up having accelerated corrosion because of the contact with another metal. There's crevice corrosion, where there's corrosion that occurs, accelerated corrosion that occurs in a crevice. The crevice can be between 2 metals or between a metal and an insulator, such as paint or a washer. Pitting occurs on metals that are normally passive. Passive means that the metal forms an oxide layer that protects the metal from the environment, and pitting results in the formation of pits in the metal, and sometimes the pits can go all the way through the metal. And this can be a problem in components like tubing, where a fluid is flowing through the tubing. Intergranular corrosion is attack of the grain boundaries of a metal. The result is that the metal weakens, loses strength, and starts to fall apart. Stress corrosion cracking involves the combined action of a tensile stress on the metal and exposure to a corrosive environment. Not all environments for a particular metal result in stress corrosion cracking, and you need to have the tensile stress applied even if the metal is exposed to a particular corrosive environment. And finally, de-alloying is the selective leaching of one or more elements from an alloy. A common alloy where this occurs with is brass alloys that contain zinc. These alloys are used in plumbing fixtures. There are a number of factors that influence whether corrosion will occur. This can be the selection of the material that's used in components. Also, design can influence it, whether dissimilar metals are selected and put in contact, or metal designs where we have crevices, designs where there are excessive stresses on the metal that can result in stress corrosion cracking. So there are a lot of considerations that need to be made to prevent corrosion from occurring, and having the guidance from a metallurgical engineer can help out. If you'd like to learn more, you can take our online course, Corrosion of Metals. Also, we offer a variety of articles on our website and videos through YouTube. And finally, we also help if you wanted to give us a call and reach out. We help with engineering consulting. Thanks for watching. If you like this, please subscribe to our channel and tell others about it. Good luck with your metals. Bye.